Hello guys, Random Stuff Rider here, back with another video. So I was bored with the normal stock horn installed on my Activa. So I installed a Roots mini sonic horn, but I'm bored with that as well right now. So today's video, what all stuff do you need? This is my stock horn, which I will be installing back in my Activa again. Then these are Roots, wind tone horn, low. This one is low and this one is high one. And then you will need a single push double throw switch. These are not waterproof. I will provide the link for the waterproof switches, but they were out of stock, so I was having this lying around, so I'm installing this one. But if you are installing the same switch, then make sure you protect it from water elements. And these are the female connectors which are connected here, SPDT switch. And you will need a relay, a fuse box. I've already made one connection here with a connector, horn pin connector, and I am installing a horn tuner as well. This is the Roots horn tuner, which has 4 wires only. The black wire is negative, red wire is positive, brown wire goes to your wind tone low tone, and yellow wire goes to your wind tone high tone. Okay, so I have made a wiring diagram here. I will show it to you right now. And yeah, make sure you buy horn pins like this. This I brought from local mechanic, but I will provide a link in the description box below for every components I show you in this video. Okay, so I will show you the wiring diagram now. This is the 12 volt relay. The 30 number connect socket on here will get connected to your battery directly with a inline fuse of 30 ampere. Okay, so and the 86 number connector will get connected to ground. It's negative basically. And 85 will get connected to SPDT, left or right, anyone is okay, switch. The middle one will get connected to your stock horn wire. The light green wire is positive, the dark green wire is negative. I checked it with my multimeter. You will get connected to the middle connector of your SPDT switch. And the another connector on the SPDT switch will get connected to stock horn, any one terminal. And the dark green wire, which is negative on your horn wire, will get connected to the stock horn. Then the 87 number connector will get connected to horn tuner's red wire, positive. The black will get grounded, and the brown wire will get connected to low one, and the yellow wire will get connected to high tone. And both the wires from the remaining connectors on your wind tone horn will get grounded. That's all for this wiring. And I'm gonna drill holes on left brake, I mean the rear brake. I will drill a hole underside so that I can switch this. I can install this switch there and control it with my left hand. And another hole which I will drill will be under the seat storage to route the wires of this tuner. This will get installed under the seat storage, and I have already extend the wires around 1.5 meters. So let's begin with the procedure. Okay, so the hectic jobs are done by me already so that the video doesn't get lengthy. See, under the seat storage I drilled a hole here and routed the wires from here. From inside I will show you. As you can see, I have routed the wires from here. From here, zip tied here. Then it's passing from here, from under the foot panel, and then from there, these wires are coming from here, and I've routed it here. And these are the wires. As you can see, even after giving 1.5 meters of wire, it's pretty short. I will have to make it longer even more. So make sure you take 2 or 3 meters of wires. Now, one more thing, I have drilled a hole here as well, as you can see, to install that SPDT switch. Now what you have to do is remove this panel, and I've already showed in my past videos how to remove this panel and this panel, so make sure you watch that video to know how to open these two panels. Now I will open these panels and get along with you for the wiring. Okay, so I used a steel wire like this to route the wires from under this panel. I taped it here and pulled it from downside. Because opening this panel, that panel will be hectic, so I used this type of steel wire to route those wires from there. That's all. I will remove those panels and get back to you. So I sticked this horn tuner with double-sided tape. To open this under seat storage, you have 3 bolts here, 1, 2 and 3. If you open these 3 bolts, this way under hood storage can be lifted up, and then the wires can be routed from down. And from the front now, you can see I removed the upper panel and disconnected the 3 connectors, indicators and headlight. And now this is the stock horn and these 2 wind tone horns. I removed the side panels as well because it will be easy to install these 2 wind tone horns here if you remove those 2 panels. Now as you can see, you will have 2 wires here for the horn. As I mentioned earlier, the light green one is your positive and the dark green one is your negative. Now we will proceed with the wiring, and after finishing the wiring, I will explain it to you again. Okay, the wiring has been done now. This is that SPDT switch. 3 wires are coming from here. One is black and 2 are red. The black one has been connected to the positive wire of your horn, means this terminal, and 1 red wire has gone to this stock horn. 1 wire has been gone to this relay to switch this relay on. Okay, and that 4 wires which came from that horn tuner, from that red wire got connected to 87 number, black wire got grounded here, and yellow and red green wire, I mean brown wire, got connected to this both horns here. Then the other remaining two wires got grounded here is also, and one more wire, that 85 terminal or 86 terminal from the relay, got connected to ground as well. Make sure you check the wiring diagram again before doing this wiring. And this is the fuse 30 number terminal from which this got connected to battery. Now the next process is to reverse all the process which you did to open this all panels. I will reassemble all the parts. And yeah, one more thing, use zip ties to secure wire everywhere, and use heat shrink to protect the terminals, sockets and all. Okay, now I will reassemble every panel and make a test video for you. Okay, so we are done with the assembly. Now let's check the horn. If you keep this switch like this, forward will be for your wind tone, rear will be for your stock horn. Now I have kept it on rear. Now let's check the horn. This is the stock horn, and if I switch it ahead, the wind tone will start. 1 second, I will get back. Okay, so this is the horn tuner now. Now one thing which you have to note in this, that the normal mode, this normal mode, the 1, 2 and 3, these 3 modes will work the same. So this is 7 in 1, not 8 in 1. The normal mode 1, 2, 3 will work the same, like this, and second also the same, third also the same. Now let's switch it back to 1 and switch this to slow. This is this first mode, this is the second mode, and this is the third mode. This is the third mode. Now let's switch back to fast and 1. Okay, second one, and this is the third one. Okay, these are the modes on the horn tuner. Make sure you use these horns only on highway, or you will suffer from police. And to switch it back again, make it switch it on your side and press the horn. This will be your stock horn, and if you switch it ahead, this will be your wind tone horn. That's all for this video. Make sure you like, share, comment on this video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. That's all. Ride safe, don't be a squid.